Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. Are your pushcut notification icon missing or not displaying correctly? Let's fix that problem. So basically, first, what you're gonna do, verify that you updated the app to the latest version. Go back to your screen, then go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, tap pushcut, right? And make sure that you update the app to the latest version. Outdated versions of the app can have bugs with icon handling. Go to the App Store, search for pushcut and update it to the latest version, okay? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna check icon settings in pushcut. Go ahead and open up your pushcut, right? And go to your notifications right here. And you're gonna see all of your notifications that you set right here, right? And ensure an icon is selected. If no icon is set, pushcut will default to a blank or generic icon, just like this, the one that you're seeing right now. So after you updated and checked everything, what you're gonna do, if the problem persists, go to check your device settings. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to your device settings. Go to your device settings and ensure notifications are enabled for pushcuts. Scroll a little bit down, right, to your pushcuts, and make sure that you set the notifications on. So I'm gonna try to pin down pushcut from here. Yeah, make sure that you allow notifications by allowing notifications right here, and that should fix it, right? And if the problem still persists, recreate the notification. What you're gonna do, swipe right and delete the notification and recreate it once again. And this often resolves hidden glitches. Follow these steps and your notifications icons should work perfectly. Let me know in the comments if you have more tips or questions. See you in the next one.